All right. We're about to run to Johannes' friend's farm, so that should be pretty cool. Right now, we had an excellent breakfast from the bakery, and stabilizing clips from yesterday / the first 2 days, including travel. And yeah, so we're gonna head out there and maybe see a Unimog. That's my thought, at least. And I got a text this morning that they found my bag, so I'm gonna be in luck for that, and we will pick that up at some point today. I think towards the end of the day. So we'll make that and the trip to Constance a singular trip to keep it simple. Okay. The Seat. Diesel. Oh, I wish you could smell this. Oh yeah. Such a beautiful vehicle. Just chugging along. Clean though. Let's go. Let's see. Volkswagens are so much nicer here. So much nicer. God.
Barn was built.
Yeah.
And we drove 3 days nearly around the clock for yeah, cool.
Das ist manual? What the heck? This thing's sick. This is manual.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actual shutters. Green grass. Copper piping for the gutters. I'm telling you, man. This is where it's at. This is where it's at. Look at this sick thing.
These are the cows from Allgäu.
Okay.
There.
So all of those right there, all the brown ones are pregnant.
Yeah.
Okay.
They are the next one.
Yeah.
And the difference is here are the automatically system who puts the shit,
Yeah.
and there's straw. It's pretty cheap.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Ah. Cool. Cool. Yeah. What do you think about that? All of this poop.
Our stage one, a lot of.
This little dog is following me. But this thing that moves brings all of the poop to one side, and they use it for energy off of the gases that it makes, and it goes slow, so I'm going to see how he steps over it. Be interesting. Just step over it. Yep. Cool.
Alle ja, biologische Prozesse, eigentlich nicht so schlecht.
Biological processes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like the rumen of the cow, or the
Okay.
stomach of the cow.
Okay.
And then they build gas, and this gas goes here over it in the silo,
Yep.
and from the silo it goes in the house.
Okay.
The
Where the
gas
engine is.
motor.
Yeah, the engine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Come. Weil es hier explodieren
Engine water.
kann.
So, thank you.
Yeah.
Komm.
Achtung, der Schwarzer, Matilda.
This is so cool.
Danke.
Transformers. They're pulling in 850 kilowatts. And it's running through transformers in there.
Yeah, and
Cool.
here the motor
Engine.
engine is
And this tractor,
Yeah.
you remember that we were
In La Harpe.
Yeah.
It was
La Harpe.
Fendt.
Yeah, there's a really original
Yes.
German old Fendt.
yeah.
Not like a new in America.
Yeah.
They're
Yeah, the new ones are Fendt is now
Echo.
Echo.
It's owned by Echo. It's an American company.
Oh, okay. This is original, yeah.
It's original German.
Turbomatic. Cool.
And the sound is original.
Yeah. Oh, loud.
Really
Yeah. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, look here. They
Cool.
come inside there and drive around.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then yeah, you just stand in the where they come in and drop the
Yeah.
yeah.
I don't think I've actually seen one of these this up close before, though.
Ah yeah.
What do you do with all the milk?
It goes to the milking. And our milking, I don't know the name. The ice cream
Stimmt.
an Automat.
Ja.
Of course, but for example in Switzerland they are allowed to break it, and it's been made in the winter
He offers services to
with the
make
salt. Yeah.
this
Okay.
salting
Salt the
streets.
roads,
Yeah.
yeah.
The road, yeah.
Cool.
But the real original Unimog is this type.
Yes.
They built it, since 40 years nearly. And this is one.
it's the
You can open.
Yeah.
yeah, and here you see the that's from the salt.
Yeah.
The damage.
Yeah.
Cool. How does this sound closing? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sick.
Bei jedem Marschkonzert bestimmt Leute.
2018. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we had here a big party and a day of open farm.
Yeah. Yeah.
And yeah, genau.
Diesel. Remember.
Aber ich gucke mal. Ah, guck. Hier, ich weiß.
They got some goats here. Funny. Yeah.
Tractors.
Oh my gosh, yeah, I've been pretty impressed with this.
And it's but the positive of that is their yield is much higher. They
Yeah.
produce a lot more milk here, so
Oh yeah.
it's very interesting, like the different ways of feeding the world, feeding people, sort
Yeah,
of thing.
it is. It is.
Different
Farming
ways
is
to go
cool.
about it.
So what's been your main work around here on this farm?
On this farm, it's the milking.
Okay.
In the morning and afternoons.
Okay, cool.
Is the main thing.
So you guide them to the carousel where they get milked, or?
Yeah, they here they're in the barn
Yeah.
all the time.
Okay.
And so they sort of bring themselves really into
Yeah.
the carousel. Whereas the last farm I worked on and the one before that, they went out on pasture during the day. So you did actually have to physically bring them in.
Okay. So nothing is hand milked here.
In the sense of I'm still putting the milking
Okay.
machine, milking cups on the cow. There's some farms, I don't know, 300 meters away, not very far,
Yeah.
that have a robot that puts the machine on the cow.
Interesting.
But here it's by hand still, sort of thing, but it's not literally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I
I think
figured.
they've got like 240 cows here, and that would just take forever.
Oh my gosh, yeah. So are you staying in this?
No, in the house that's up the top there.
Oh, you're in that house.
Yeah, down the bottom. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Cool. Very nice.
I'm hoping as well when I finish here in about 2 or 3 weeks time, and then I'll be doing the holiday part of the trip
Yeah.
and going through like Innsbruck, Salzburg, through
Okay.
to Vienna hopefully as
Okay,
well, and then
yeah.
maybe up to Prague. I'm not too sure
Cool.
just yet, but it looks so nice.
Yeah.
Looks beautiful.
Yeah, I'm excited. Cool.
And it mixed to the silage and
Yeah.
the grass and so.
Wow.
And the cows like it.
Interesting. Very cool.
Yeah. It's corn here inside.
Cool.
Ground is like in Unimog,
Yeah.
but it's special. They built
They're
special
they're
tractors.
pretty.
Yeah, the nicest
Oh my
tractors.
gosh, yeah. Mercedes-Benz Track 1600 Turbo.
160 horsepower.
160 horsepower.
You can sit inside.
I can sit in it?
Yeah, sit in.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very cool.
Similar new one, I think.
Really?
Yeah, I think
Couple 100,000?
the 1600 in a good condition.
Yeah.
I think minimum, yeah,
Wow.
60, 80, I think. Yeah.
Wow. It's funny.
And it's and the brother of Tobias
Yes.
bought this one and
Restoring it.
music
Okay.
I'm cooking and then you can say aufhören. I finished to do something. And if you say halt, it means here.
But you're special.
Yeah, now we have. It's the same reason like to drive the small road to Tobias.
Yeah.
We have a reason to drive here.
Yes, okay.
We are not making fun or
Yeah.
the wheat.
Yeah.
And we have to take up a sample.
Do we need him to be here?
Yeah. Yeah, we need the machine.
At the countryside. Currently, he's gonna come here with his combine, at least if I think I know my farming tools, and we're gonna get a sample to bring back to Stochach. And yes, it is very nice here. I love it. I love it. I need a house here. Because where do you get this? Yeah, nowhere.
Father is driving you
Okay,
with the car to Singen,
okay.
and then you take the train.
At the corn company to give them the sample. Ooh, a chimney. So cool. Hang on. Whoa. And all the power lines are going to be gone.
Yeah. Yeah, very sad. Last weeks they tear down on our neighbor's house power line. And this, yeah, it's not nice. It's
Yeah, just big boxes on the ground.
Yeah. And it's so expensive, but yeah, the money comes from the people who work like me.
Yeah.
It's
so perfect.
Yeah, it's Germany.
I know. You paid for it. Ah, that's funny. Zoland?
Yeah,
What's
Zoland. It means border.
Border.
Doen. I don't know the English word.
Cool. Oh, they're
Look there.
checking their cars.
Yeah. Normally,
Interesting. We're good?
yeah.
What is cool? We've arrived to the airport to pick up my bag. They better have it. Why is it not red? I put metal up to it. No. Oh. Beep, beep, beep.
Yeah.
Ah! Flusche? The key?
Schlüssel.
Where? What is this? Alright, made it through with a sticker. So now I'll go down to downstairs, and they had to split me from Johannes because it is me getting the bag, not him. So now I'm going to find it. If I can find where downstairs is. Okay, lots of baggage to check. Can you even believe it? It worked. Sir, do you know if I can grab my bag out of these carts, or do I need someone to?
I just go to the counter.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Well, okay. At least it's here. This is very cool. Also, I got it. No worries there. Now I have to see if I can find Johannes. Customs? I don't need customs. Oh, jeez. Let me try. Actually, found the bag. Found the man. Parking 2. Here we come. And then on to Konstanz. Cool.
Some people like the. I told you the.
500-year-old building. Sucker's packed. Tons and tons and tons of people. And Florentine is way over there.
Ja, das ist auch ein ganz spezieller Klang.
Yeah, if you're here, you're safe. You have a good location. Almost. What do you think about that?
That's really good. It's nice.
Waiting in line for the watered down wine.
Messerschmitt Thomas, the 163.
I don't know why it's so big.
Kann nicht reinfallen. Er fällt rein, nicht. Irgendjemand fällt nicht. Sauber rein.
Starting to rain now. See that? That's kind of cool. This is the Swiss side. This will have more money.
Just a big party here.
Ja. Okay.